Hi everyone, welcome to FunEye TV. I'm JB Dean and I have some wonderful news for everyone out there. We just welcomed a new member to the FunEye TV family, and it is a puppy. My daughter rescued a puppy from the local shelter. Her name is Georgia, and she is the cutest little thing that you've ever seen. There she is right there. Oh, and she just likes to play. Of course, all puppies like to play. And Georgia actually became the inspiration for this video today. So I'm going to show you guys how to do Among Us pets and puppy dog pets clothespins. Alright, so you do need a few things for this craft. You need clothespins, markers, poster board, hot glue gun, or regular glue, whatever you prefer. You need markers, scissors, and I might be repeating myself here a little bit. And that's basically it. You don't really need a big poster board piece to start out with. You can kind of judge it for yourself. You can either have, I believe mine was 2.5 inches by 4. So you don't really need that big a piece to start out with. You just cut it with the scissors, and you don't have to do an Among Us pet or a puppy dog pet. You can actually do whatever you want. So the mouth kind of needs to be in the middle of the body. So if you do a longer body, let's say an alligator or a dog, or a cat, as long as you're aware that you're going to be cutting the body in half after you're done drawing and coloring it. And I'll show you how to do that. So the first thing I'm going to draw is one of the Among Us pets. He has one eye, and I think I'm going to choose the color blue to color in. So I'm going to make his body a little bit long, and I'm going to make sure the mouth is kind of lined up with the back of his behind. That way, when I do cut him in half, which I'll have to at the end, that way the mouth is lined up completely to the center of the body. I want to make the Among Us pet look a little bit excited. I'm going to have the tongue hanging out of his mouth, and with his one eye, very aware of what's going on around him. Blue is my favorite color, so I'm going to choose to color him like a blue color. I'll make sure that the mouth is pink and red, kind of make the mouth a little bit darker red than the tongue to kind of maybe highlight the tongue hanging off to the side. What you want to do is you want to take a straight edge. I know the one I'm using in the video, it's just something that I picked up off the floor. You can use a ruler, it would be the best thing to use. What you want to do is you want to place that in the middle of whatever you're drawing, and you want to make sure that you cut it down the middle and kind of line it up with the mouth to where you're not cutting off the tongue. So you want that's why I had the tongue kind of hang off lower. So you want to lightly draw a line, and then that's going to be your guide for when you cut it in half. After cutting it in half, I'm going to glue it with this hot glue gun, and if you don't have to use a hot glue gun, you can actually use regular glue if you want to. It just dries faster for me to have the hot glue gun. You can also use two-sided tape as well. That actually might be better for you if you have that. Making Georgia an Among Us pet, I realized there was something else I could do that would be really, really easy and simple that anybody out there can do. And I realized I could do Pac-Man. Then after I did Pac-Man, I decided to do a ghost. Now, a ghost, I know, doesn't really open up his mouth or anything, but I thought maybe I could add a little bit more character by doing it. craft is really fun and easy to do. Use your imagination, create whatever you like. Just be careful not to get the clothespin too close to your nose. Ah! Oh! Wow. Yeah. Oh, ouchie. Whew. Believe me, you don't want to do that. It hurts a lot. Until next time, this is FunEye TV. I'm JB Dean. Have a fun day. Whew. That hurt.